Today I made $8,000 within the first 6 minutes of market open, and I have moved to Dubai recently. If you guys don't know that, most likely you guys are not following me on Instagram, so the link will be in the description box below. I have been posting a lot of updates on my Instagram about my move to Dubai. But this is the view from my apartment. It looks like a dream world. So far, I'm liking the vibes of this city. It's very hot, extremely hot, because it's July at the peak of the summer in Dubai. But I think the life is good. The trading time at the moment, it's 5:30 p.m., which is amazing because back in Australia, I was trading at night at 11:30 p.m. So the trading time is definitely a bonus for me, and taxes on top of that, 0% tax here. Let's now jump on to my recap for the day and how exactly I made $8,000 within the first 6 minutes of market open. So guys, I don't have my setup yet, so you will see me at the bottom of the screen very small. But let's now jump on to my game plan for the day. On this day, I was watching Tesla and Nvidia, two stocks along with the market internal ES. I was watching Tesla because Tesla has been consolidating in this channel on the daily chart. The past 2 days, we had a very nice push towards the upside. I mean, we had 2 green days in a row. The yesterday's high was around $716 level approximately. 2 days ago high was around $726, and 3 days ago high was approximately $720 level. So that means the 715 to 720 zone has been holding very strongly on the daily chart. We can also see, if you look at the month of June and May, we can see a lot of high of the day and low of the day is around $720 level. That is the reason I mentioned in our daily game plan that HOD for the past 3 days is between 720 and 730. Watching this zone for an upside breakout if we get support or push up on the market internals. So what that means is that in the pre-market, if we find support around 720 or 730 with the market internals, that means the SPY and QQQ finding support, or maybe the market pushing towards the upside. This looks like a really good opportunity for catching a breakout towards the upside for the break of 720. If we even take a look at ES, that is the S&P 500 futures, we can clearly see that ES yesterday had a doji. This is called a hammer doji. So that means the buyers were able to hold this price even though sellers tried to push it down. At the end of the day, buyers were able to push the price towards the upside. That is the reason I was watching the market towards the upside for a continuation move from yesterday. So we just broke down the daily chart of Tesla. Let's now take a look at the pre-market action and the lower time frames, the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart. But before we do that, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to see a lot more videos like this one and to learn more about day trading. And also, if you guys want to join our Discord group, get access to my daily game plan that I post every single market open day. We trade on voice chat 1 to 2 times a week. You can join our Discord group. The link will be in the description box below. So guys, here's the hourly chart of Tesla. And we can see on the hourly chart, we had 3 green candles in a row yesterday before the market closed yesterday. And today we were gapping up. We had a bit of a strong push towards the upside in the pre-market just before the market opened. We can even see that on the 5-minute chart. If I add the extended hours right here, we can see around, I would say 8:30 and 8:35 a.m. after the news that was released at 8:30 a.m. We saw a push towards the upside, a bull flag, push towards the upside, bull flag, and a push towards the upside. So the market was looking very strong in the pre-market. And as I told you, I was watching 720 and 719 for a pullback entry because 720 and 719 is a very important level on the daily chart. And in the pre-market, just before the market opened, if you focus on right here at 9:25 a.m. candle, fortunately, we saw a push towards the downside. Because on the other hand, if the market would have continued to push towards the upside, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have taken this trade. But fortunately, before the market opened, we saw a pullback on Tesla after having 4 or 5 green candles in a row. Let's now jump on to the 1-minute chart and look at my entries and exits. So guys, here's a 1-minute chart of Tesla in front of you. As I showed you on the 5-minute chart, we had a very nice push towards the upside in the pre-market, and we have been holding these moving averages. This is the 9 and the 20 EMA, these 2 gray lines. We held the moving averages, pushed towards the upside, held the moving averages again, pushed towards the upside. Now, just before the market opened, we saw a flush down on Tesla from 723 to a low of around 718. Right at 9:30 a.m., I saw that Tesla pushed under $720 level. The low of this candle was approximately 718.5-ish. When Tesla made a low of around 718.5-ish, we saw the bid step back above 720 and bids were holding $720 level very strongly. When I saw that, I placed my order to get filled. I got filled 30 contracts. I was trading 730 calls. same day expiry contracts, and my fill price was 4.60. I will post a screenshot of my fills right at the top. And guys, that is the importance of looking at level 2, because you guys can see my entry was at 9:30 and 21 seconds at a fill price of 4.60. On the same minute, after 30 seconds at 9:30:55, the same premiums were at 7.20. That means the return within the same minute was approximately 50% of my investment, which is an insane risk to reward in only 30 seconds of market open. And the reason I was able to score a really good entry was just looking at the level 2. I had my levels marked. I was watching 720 at the market open. I saw the tape really strong around $720 level. That's why I had a very good entry. Had I entered at the top of this candle, for example, had I placed my order at 725 or 726, the risk to reward on this trade was not there because the high of the day was 730. But because of level 2, my entry was right at the bottom of this candle, and I took my profits at the top of this candle within the same minute in 30 seconds, making 50% winner in 30 seconds. After taking first 10 contracts out at the top of this candle at a fill price of 7.20, I just waited for Tesla to make new high of the days. When I saw this make of new high of the day on this candle right here around 728, I took another 5 contracts out at a fill price of 7.35. I waited for this pullback. This was a really good pullback on low volume. We can even see that on the red candles, the volume is low. No need to exit my position. At 9:35 a.m. candle right here, I took another 5 contracts out at a fill price of 7.55. So you guys can see, even though I'm exiting my positions at new high of the days, the premiums are not moving much because by mistake I entered same day expiry contracts. My plan was to go for next week expiry contracts because this was a Friday. On Friday, any pullbacks will kill your premiums a lot. So my plan was to enter next week expiry. But before the market open, I forgot to switch my contract strike price expiry, and that's why I had to enter the same day expiry contracts. And finally, I exited my last 10 contracts at 9:36 a.m. candle right here when I saw that Tesla was not able to hold above $730 level and the market internals were also pushing down. I exited my last 10 contracts at the top of this candle at a fill price of 7.32. Let's now jump onto my PNL and see how much I made on this day within the first 6 minutes of market open. So guys, here's my PNL that I posted on our Discord group. I made $8,000 by only investing approximately $13,000 or $14,000. I took 30 contracts, 730 calls, same day expiry, and my fill price of 4.60. So I invested approximately, I would say, $14,000, and I made a return of $8,000 within the first 6 minutes of market open. That is a return of more than 50%, around 60% if I'm not wrong, which is an insane risk to reward ratio and a very good end to the week. And not only me, a lot of other traders were able to catch this move. You guys can see right here, Trav, he's a very good trader. He has been doing really well, and that is the reason he's part of the pro trading flow. He made $1,100 within the first 1 minute. His entry was at 9:30:23, exit was at 9:30:54 EST, and this is, I think, PST or whatever. But even if you go to the profit and losses section, I think Leroy, he also made very good amount of money right at the market open. So you guys can see we all took approximately the same entry at the hold of $720 level. In the profit and losses section, this trader was done within the first 1 minute of market open. I'm pretty sure this was the same trade that I talked about. Another trader at 9:30 a.m. candle, same trade, and a lot of traders, he made $500. Nick made $135. Again, same trade, 9:30 a.m. candle, $478. So you guys can see here, a lot of traders were able to catch the similar trade like I did and make good amount of money to end the week with. That's it, guys. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and hit the bell notifications to learn more about day trading. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm posting a lot of behind the scenes of a day trader. I moved to Dubai recently, so you can see a lot of updates on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.